In this video, you will learn about the riches ritual, but be careful. To avoid the opposite impact, you must strictly adhere to each step. This ceremony has the potential to revolutionize your life, but only if carried out correctly. So pay great attention, don't overlook any details, and stick with me to the finish to attract the money you've always wanted. Did you know that a simple practice of soaking cinnamon in wine may unblock the flow of money into your life? Although it may appear unbelievable, many individuals have used this ancient technique to attract fortune in surprising ways. If you've ever wanted to improve your financial condition without using difficult procedures, you've come to the perfect spot. Today, you'll learn how a small practice may make a difference. Have you ever felt that money evaporates as soon as it reaches your hands, or pondered why you seem to be stuck in an ongoing circle of financial problems? The solution might be found in the energies surrounding you, which are frequently laden with blocks that impede your income flow. This ritual, which combines the unique powers of cinnamon and alcohol, can help you shift your reality by attracting abundance and opening up new possibilities. Cinnamon, in addition to being a famous culinary spice, has long been recognized as a potent sign of success. Its warm warmth and pleasant perfume not only promote well-being, but also act as a magnet for positive energies. In the spiritual realm, it is associated with the capacity to attract luck and money. Alcohol, on the other hand, purifies and amplifies the ritual's aims. They work together to activate good energy that lead to new financial chances. This ceremony does not require any prior expertise or pricey items, only your goal and readiness to connect with its power. Throughout this video, I will walk you through each step so you can do it from the comfort of your own home. But first, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, I encourage you to do so right now and enable alerts. Every day, we provide useful articles that can help you improve not just your money, but also your life. Prepare your supplies and intentions, for you are about to take the first step toward a more wealthy existence. Are you ready to learn the secret that has helped so many people? Let's get started immediately. Now, let us proceed with this powerful ceremony that has the potential to improve your financial position. You'll only need 2 ingredients: alcohol of any type and cinnamon, either stick or powder. Both are more than enough to construct an energy talisman capable of clearing roads and attracting the funds you require. As previously said, cinnamon is recognized for its ability to bring good luck and success, something many of you are likely already aware of. Before I teach you how to make this talisman, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications so you don't miss out on future secrets like this one. Let's see how these simple elements may be transformed into a strong instrument for solving financial challenges. Do you have bills that you can't seem to pay off? Do you believe that a firm is not operating properly, or that someone owes you money but does not pay you? This talisman is specifically intended to speed such processes. The secret is alcohol, which not only repels negativity, but also cleanses the energy surrounding you. Many people are aware that alcohol is used to heal wounds and remove viruses due to its antiseptic characteristics. In the spiritual arena, it has a similar meaning. It may dissolve energetic blocks and eliminate any bad effects that are inhibiting your progress. In this instance, we will utilize it to clear the economic flow and shield you against energies that might harm your finances. If you believe that those around you are impeding your success with jealousy, bad energy, or nasty intentions, this ritual will be your ally. The alcohol, when mixed with cinnamon, will counteract those forces, allowing you to open the door to riches. Before you begin, you must be in a strong emotional state, feeling secure and conscious of your inner strength. Remember that we are light beings with the ability to materialize everything we choose. Remove all distractions and negative influences and believe with complete confidence in the conclusion of this ritual. Find a quiet spot where you can concentrate without distractions. Inner calm is crucial, since it allows you to connect with the energy required for the ritual to function. Visualize your money objectives and feel deserving of receiving them. With complete intention and trust, you will be prepared to take the next step toward a more wealthy life. Working on visualization is necessary for this ritual to function well. What exactly does this mean? It is about clearly picturing what you want to attain, which in this case is money. It is not enough to beg for it. You must believe that you already have it, that the money you so much need is in your possession. The objective is to shift the emotion of need to one of deservedness. Feel deserving of success, richness, and fortune. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve happiness and financial success. Furthermore, many practitioners of this ritual think that having a positive and proactive attitude is critical. This does not imply that everything is just dependent on the ritual. You must also take tangible activities in your daily life. Explore new investing alternatives, learn skills that can increase your income, and remain adaptable. The ritual is an effective tool, but in order to change your financial position, you must also participate actively. Despite considerable criticism, many civilizations continue to conduct this ceremony. For some, it is a custom that honors their ancestors' knowledge. For others, it is a means of maintaining hope throughout terrible times. The most essential thing is that you discover significance in this ritual for yourself and conduct it with trust and conviction. Another important consideration is your connection with money. Speaking poorly of it or perceiving it as something negative causes a detachment from the energy of prosperity. Remember that while money is not a direct source of happiness, it does assist us acquire the things that make us happy and peaceful. So cultivate a positive connection with it, one built on respect and gratitude. Let us now discuss the supplies required for this rite. You only need a recycled glass jar with a lid, which you can reuse from a canning jar at home. You'll also need some ethyl alcohol, which is widely used to clean wounds, and cinnamon. A modest bit of cinnamon powder is sufficient, and one cinnamon stick is plenty. When we deal with less modified components like cinnamon sticks, we escape the energy charge of other people's hands, preserving their purity and spiritual vigor. So if possible, choose natural substances. Now that you have everything set, let us begin making this potent talisman. To properly create this talisman, combine the components using a spoon. If it is made of wood, all the better, as this material is connected with natural and clean energies. If you don't have one, you can use any sort of spoon. The crucial thing is that you feel peaceful, pleasant, and energized while doing so. This is the moment to let go of any restricting or negative attitudes about money. Remember, your financial issues do not exist. They are nowhere to be found. You are a successful, abundant, and joyful individual. Imagine money pouring in from all sides. Feel like you have more than enough, more than you require. That positive frequency is required to charge your jar with the appropriate energy. Touch it with love, imparting the powerful intention that will convert it into a genuine magnet for riches. Love is the highest and most powerful force that exists. Using it strategically may make a significant effect. Manipulate your emotions to keep good ideas and increase your vibrational frequency. Don't forget that this is a basic process that demands persistence. Patience and trust are essential not just during the ceremony, but also in the days thereafter. Always maintain the firm belief that anything you wish is already on its way to you. The next step is straightforward. Add some alcohol to the bottle. Before I continue, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you love the content. Remember that setting the notification bell is free and will send you information whenever we release a new video with additional rituals like this one. Don't miss out on any of the secrets we've shared with you. Returning to the ceremony, you do not need to fill the bottle fully with alcohol. A tiny bit is sufficient. This chemical, as previously said, is a potent repellent of bad energy and a natural accelerator of processes, particularly in the financial realm. Now we'll add cinnamon. This element is strongly associated with the energy of plenty, financial success, and prosperity. Its vibration is so strong that when paired with alcohol, it forms a unique synergy that attracts money. This elemental fusion serves as the foundation for our talisman, which you may use to various aspects of your life. Whether at your business, job, or at home, this talisman can help you balance and increase your money. Its energy will attract possibilities and clear routes, allowing you to have a more balanced connection with money and fortune. This practice, without a doubt, functions as a genuine magnet for money, attracting the fortune you seek and deserve. Do not forget that feeling deserving is essential for this energy to come to you. Now, let's go to the following step. Add the cinnamon. If you're using cinnamon powder, use a little tablespoon. A modest dosage is sufficient to activate its effects. On the other hand, if you use cinnamon sticks, I recommend breaking them into little pieces before adding them in the container. Why is this step important? Because breaking the cinnamon sticks releases its natural essence, an essential oil rich in mystical energy capable of bringing money and wealth. Take note of the scent that emerges as you do this. This isn't just any perfume, it's a powerful activator that may change your mood. If you're feeling gloomy or disheartened, this smell can help you transmute those feelings and raise your vibrational frequency. By doing so, you will feel more cheerful and linked to positive energy. Remember that high vibrations are essential for attracting all the wonderful things in your life, including favorable circumstances, helpful people, unexpected chances, and peaceful environments. This easy phase in the ritual links you with plenty while also improving your general well-being. After you've added the cinnamon, stir everything together. Use the spoon to mix the contents of the jar clockwise, completing 8 complete rotations. Why 8? Because this number represents infinity, which is a continual cycle of energy. We want all of the money that leaves our hands to be doubled, resulting in a steady flow of riches. As you spin, recite aloud the following prayer with full intention and faith. May all money spent come back to me multiplied. Repeat this statement 8 times, synchronized with the spoon's motions. This act deepens the link to the energy of prosperity, allowing you to materialize your desires more efficiently. If you want to add to this ceremony, leave a prayer in the comments. This simple act of writing is a real action that ignites the energy of plenty in your life. Each typed word supports your goal, linking you to the financial success you desire. When you accomplish this stage, the talisman will be charged and ready to attract prosperity to you. So prepare to enjoy the financial benefits that will follow. Now, what will we do to complete this ritual? It's really simple. We'll grab the jar and shut it with the lid. Your preparation has now been converted into a strong money talisman, meant to double any money that leaves your house or company. This talisman will operate as an energy bridge, bringing plenty and success directly to you. Where should you position it? In a strategic location that allows it to connect with the outside world. This might be a window, the entry to your home, or the door to your company. These points are critical because they facilitate the entry and departure of energy, including money. By placing it there, you are immediately welcoming prosperity into your life, ensuring that it will never be lacking. Keep the jar in this location for at least 8 days. If you believe you require additional time, that is great. Let it work for as long as you see necessary. The trick is to follow your gut. When you feel that abundance is pouring freely into your life, it is time to open the jar and discard its contents. You can dispose of it in the trash, flush it down the toilet, or dump it down the drain. Once emptied, clean the jar and save it for future ceremonies. This procedure is not only easy, but also yields speedy results. Why? Alcohol functions as an energy booster, accelerating economic growth quickly. I advise you to begin this routine now. Begin right away and report back in a few days in the comments section. Many people have seen near instantaneous shifts, whether in a few hours or days. It all comes down to how strong your intention is and how powerful your faith is. If this video has inspired you, please share it with others so that they too may increase their wealth. Which portion of the ceremony did you like the most? Leave it in the comments, since I always read what you post. Also, if you want to take the next step in your spiritual journey, read the explanation of this video. There you will discover a link to join our exclusive club and purchase our sacred code book, which contains tools to help you materialize your dreams in record speed. Finally, if you want to understand more about spirituality, rituals, and abundance, please click on any of the videos displayed on screen. This channel allows you to explore and alter your life. Thank you for joining us for this energizing episode filled with potential. Remember that the cosmos is filled with energy and limitless chances. To create all you want, all you have to do is be open-hearted, believe in the power of purpose, and act with confidence. I'll see you in the upcoming video.